The earlier video about hosting a website involved uploading a zip file, and the assumption was either that the folder wasn't there already, or if it was there, then you were going to overwrite all of the documents within the folder for the website, so you'd have a new version of the website. But what about if you just want to update a single web page on your mysql0X space, whatever number your server is on? Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, so let's just log out here. Okay, my server space is mysql0X.conf. Yours would probably be the same, except the number may change. Okay, so let me just log in here. As a lecturer, my username does not begin with D00, capital D00, so that's what you're going to need to use in the username. Okay, and then the password that you have in your root at email address. Okay, so you've already seen the page on the sort of introduction to the course. Okay, so here is the web page, and here are two images associated with it. So if I want to, first of all, I can actually view it in here. If I go to open, okay, a new tab here. Here it's opening here, but it's got localhost instead of the server name, so I need to just change that. comp.dkit.ie and then / and then in your case your D number, in my case MCGUINNP. Okay, and that's a handy way to just see the page that you've hosted if you can't remember all of the folder substructure and so on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little change to the text here in net2ftp. So this is still on localhost here, so I need to go back here, and then you can see here I need to refresh. So I'm going to press the reload F5 button, and that will bring up the page here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I want to make a little change here. Okay, sorry, I should have told you what I was doing there. If I just come back here, over here, I can click on View, which will actually show me the code for that page. Okay, and indeed we can see the same thing if we right click. I'm in Chrome here, it'll be the same for other browsers or broadly similar. View page source will show me the entire code there. Okay, or view-source : in fact, if you type that in front of a URL on your mobile browser, you can see all the code as well. Okay, view-source : and then the HTTPS. Okay, so okay, I've got it there twice. Let me come back here. Okay, so I can view all of the code there, but I want to actually make some changes. So I'll go to Edit here. Okay, and I'm going to make a small change. Okay, let's just put this in brackets. Okay, like that. I save it here, and then if I come back in here and refresh the page, okay, you can see the changes have been immediately implemented. Okay, so that's a quick way to see or to make some changes. Okay, and you can notice here September 14th, 1446. Okay, it's now 3:46 p.m. 15:46, so the server seems to be out by an hour. It may not be compensating for summertime. I'm just spoofing there. I don't know why it's out an hour, but anyway, the change has just been made. Okay, now the problem about that is I now have a version of this web page on my PC, and I've got another version on the web server, and that's a bit of an issue. Okay, because I need to be really using the same version all the time. So what I'm going to do is just something I haven't actually shown you here. Okay, when you log into Net2FTP, you are at what's called the root of your server space. Okay, so you can see root is here. Okay, when I go, these are folder symbols here. So when I click on induction, okay, you can now see induction is coming in here. Root. So I'm now in root/induction. Okay, now what I want to do, unlike the earlier video, is I want to upload one document here. I'm just going to upload an older version of this. Okay, so if you look here, I'm just going to add some text. Okay, so I have no abbreviation here, just Control S to save that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the saved version on my memory stick or whatever it is. And because it's a single file I'm uploading, I'm going to upload on the left hand side. Okay, so I'm uploading a file as opposed to uploading a zip file. Okay, and just one thing regarding zip files, don't upload .rar archives, or okay, use zip or well, basically zip. Okay, anyway, so let me find that individual file here. Okay, so here it is here. I upload here, and I'm just going to go back here, and you can see now 1448. Okay, 348 here. Okay, so this is the new version. If I come back here, this is the abbreviation I had changed in Net2FTP. If I refresh now, you can see it's showing me the updated version from my space, my hard drive space or memory stick or whatever. Okay, let me just get rid of that. Okay, and I'm just going to upload again. So note where I am. I'm inside my induction. So I'm uploading a file, but you need to be within the folder for that particular website. Okay, so we'll just upload this again. That seems to have done okay. And then okay, so I've got that back to normal. Okay, so what I've done there is I have uploaded a file that already exists within a website that already exists. Okay, so let me do something else. This time I'm just going to upload a new file. Let me just cancel that for a second just to show you. If we look in here, I've got a web page and I've got 2 images. Okay, whereas in my folder I've got 2 images, but I've got 2 web pages. Okay, so this index 99, if we just look at that here, currently, yeah, nothing to write home about really. Notice it's on my F drive, so it's not in the server. Okay, so it's just on my machine. So let's bring it into the website. So I upload, I choose it, and here it is here. Notice I could actually pick a second file if I wanted, and so on. Okay, so let's come back here. Can I see it here? Yes, I can see it here. Okay, so index 99. It's in the same folder as the induction page, so there it is there. Okay, so in the server.